Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. A while back I went to a place called Vintage Revived. Ed Hiscock is the owner, and he's a very nice gentleman. He's over on Dickman Road in Battle Creek. Let's see. 2517 West Dickman Road, Springfield, Michigan, 49037. Phone number is 269-245-2232. He had a very nice collection of things. What I brought home was this. This is a Armstrong-Blum Manufacturing Company out of Chicago, Illinois, number 5 rod cutter. Now, just in case you're wondering what a rod cutter is, you know how I hate hacksaws. Cutting off a short chunk of bar is just that easy. No problem at all. Much better than spending a couple minutes getting out the hacksaw, cutting it off, and then putting the hacksaw back. After spending sometimes up to a minute or two cutting something off, this will cut up to a 3/8 bar. And this stuff doesn't even make it think. Great for making rivets. You just set the rod at the length you want to cut. And make as many as you want. Just that easy. I prefer to have things mounted in a vise. And with this mounted to this piece of 2x4, it doesn't let it get the full travel. So you can see that the bar doesn't make a complete cut. Now, it doesn't seem to bother anything on steel, but if you were cutting something softer, it might just take it halfway and kind of smear it into the hole. So I think I need to adapt this to work more like what I want in my shop. And I think the quickest and easiest way for me to do that is just to cut off this 2x4 short. Mount a chunk of 2x4 underneath this piece so that I can clamp it into the vise just like I do with a buffing wheel. There we go. This is held on with Robertson screws, which work quite well. And I even have a driver for them. Very nice. Now this is something somebody made for this, because I imagine it just had a round handle about the size of that with a knurl on the end or something. Somebody made this and then put a nice little plastic handle on the end of it, and I like it. Easily mounts. Handle has a full stroke. Easily dismounts. Works quite well. Now I just need some paint. Oh, the base made, just modified from the original. I can now mount this in the vise and it's going to work out quite well. Just need some paint. So I'm going to go out and spray paint this and then finish planting the tree. I had to wait for a rainstorm. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.